Mhm. All right, let's go live. So we are now live. Let's start with analysis. All right, let's go live. So we are now live. Let's start with analysis. So we are now live. Start. Okay, so today what you're actually going to do is what I've been preaching since day one. You get it? The consolidation, breakouts, price comes back, then what? We execute. Okay? That's exactly what we are coming to do today, but at 2 p.m. So first of all, we need to know what price is doing at the moment. But on the higher time frame, we can clearly see that what it's an uptrend. Oh, it's a clear uptrend on the higher time frame. You know what? Let me delete this indicator.
Let's see how this guy will be 2 years. Let's see how he's changing the. It's our politics. Our politics. Yeah. All these small
All
that
right.
we have
So you guys can see
taken as
clearly
granted.
we are in an uptrend, but we have price currently like this for our candle, as you can see over. So let's check on the daily candle to see. Yes. So the daily candle is giving an
Now we
uptrend
get about
characteristics. You get it? It got into this zone, and right after it got into this zone, what price rejected off with a very clean rejecting candle, as you can see. So we are just anticipating that what today price must be what very bullish, maybe to get to this high or maybe to break it, because over here you can see that what the structure over here has been broken perfectly. You get it? So since we know it's an uptrend, mm, let's see what price is doing. So you can see it moving into a zone, right? What's the time? Okay, 1 minute to 2 p.m. Go to the lower time frame. All right, so we are on the 5 minutes. Price seems to be already respecting a POI, but let's wait for full confirmation. So you guys can see, I said that's what you are coming to do today. Consolidation, breakouts, executes. So you can clearly see there's a consolidation here. There was a breakout. Currently, price is over here. It has left off a rejecting candle, and this is what it is doing. So I think there's the 2 p.m. candle. Yeah. So let's see. Trade. So it seems to be rejecting over here. So this is me refining my entry. All right, we have our first rejection. Let's see what this thing does. We just want to see a bullish candle, then we know what to do next. On the 1 minute too, can see something happening on the 1 minute as well. Let me zoom in to see what. Uh, why? Hey, hello. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah. Your mic is gone back. Oh. Your mic is gone back. We cannot hear
Can you
you
hear me?
anymore.
Can you
Yeah,
hear
now we
me?
can hear you. Yeah.
All right. So we can see that what price is currently rejecting off. So let's wait for the closure of this 5 minute candle to know where we are going to enter at. There's some sort of liquidity, but gold has its own way of picking liquidity. Sometimes it is tricky, yeah. So that's what I was telling you in the group, Kwabna. So you see, there's some sort of sell side liquidity over here, which has been swept. You get it? But gold has this thing. Mostly after sweeping liquidity, it doesn't respect the early, there's one POI. It tends to go lower to go and respect like a further one. You get it? But that's for good.
Yeah.
That's for good. I don't know for other pairs. So guys, as you can see, price is currently respecting our POI, but we don't have to jump in. Okay, let's wait. If not for you guys, I would have already been in this trade. So it has already gotten into my equilibrium. Hasn't even reached 60 pips yet. 60 pips is around here side. Yeah. So currently price is currently 20 pips away from our entry. But no, yeah, let's just wait for the closure of this candle. Let's see what is happening on the 1 minute as well. So you can see some clean setups forming, yeah. So we already have like two bullish candles already. Okay. At this point, I think I just need to wait for a cool retracement. If only it will happen, I just pray that it happens so that we can re-enter. But let's see how the 5 minutes closes. All right. So I think it's going to close bullish. All right. So I'm entering for a buy, guys. All right, so I'm in. SL 20 pips away from our entry. Let's see what happens. Wait, is there any news today?
Yes, PPI.
At what time?
It has passed. It was at 130.
Okay, my heart. Because I haven't yet set SL. So since it has passed, then it's safe for us to trade. All right, so 60 pips. How many of you have entered the trade?
It's moving.
Yeah. Please do set your SL and practice good risk management as well. Let's see 30 minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes to closed with there's another rejection from the POI. Hope you guys can see it. But it's not that clean. And there's also a break of structure. Oh shit. I'm not going to be in this for long. Okay. In case we hit SL, this will be my last point of interest. That's all. We are currently in drawdown. But as you can see, the trend on the 4-hour looks very bullish. I don't know why today my chart is behaving this way. Yeah. We are
Okay.
back in profit.
Yes, it's moving now.
That's great. Sure. You're always scalping now. So if we see some signs of reversal, we close our trade and we come the next day. We are almost 20 pips in profit, right? Yeah, almost. So 20 pips in profit will be 1:2. Oh, yeah, because you're risking 20 pips. Sorry, that would be 1:1. Okay, we are currently 20 pips in profit. So,
The buy pressure is back in the market.
yeah. Oh, sure. This place, this place is giving me PTSD, this very zone. This is 1 minute. This side is giving me PTSD. Can see price already rejecting off from that point. Okay, we are 30 pips in profit now.
Yeah.
All right. So 30 pips. How many of you took this trade? Alvis, did you take it?
I took it after the bullish momentum. Like after on the
Meaning you
5 minute
entered late.
chart, yeah, after the 5 minute chart, the second bullish candle that came. That was my entry.
Okay. You see what I was talking about? It is
Price is
reacting
reject-
off that point. Come again.
price is being rejected from the zone in March.
Yeah,
But then I do not know why price does not want to get to like the previous high. That is what I'm targeting.
the previous high.
Yes. Okay. Like the
Me, I'm
highest
just
point we would go to. That's where I have myself set up at. But price doesn't want to get there.
that's a very solid setup. You just need to exercise patience for price to get into that zone.
I was waiting for liquidity, and liquidity has been swag. So right now, I do not know.
One thing about gold is sometimes you go and put yourself at that point, it will just go and trigger your SL. It will move like
Yeah.
50 or
So
some
that's why I
70
always wait
pips.
for price to get there before I
Yeah,
exit.
you just need to wait the reaction, then you enter.
Man, I'm out. I'm out. This trade, I'm out.
Why are you out?
Bro, you have like the heart, bro. I know.
Why are you not a scalper?
No. I'm a day trader.
And you're already out.
Yeah, you see, this is too volatile. It's like after news. So me, I set and forget. But this one, I'm watching the chart. So it's like
Okay,
there's more pressure on me.
okay. Let's see what happens. Alright, price is rejecting hard. I only go out. Hey, Elvis, this one I cannot advise you. You know what? Since you missed it, don't enter. Okay. Since you
It's
missed it,
gone.
don't enter.
Or you should try
Yeah.
to enter the retest.
Nah, me, I wouldn't advise that. The thing is, me, if you miss my entry, don't try to re-enter. Okay. Because I'm only scalping. You get it? If I should see some signs of exit, I'll exit. Maybe my exit is going to be your entry. You get it?
Mhm. You're right.
So I think so. It's left a rejection. This 5 minutes kind of left a rejection. Let me see what's happening on the 1 minute. All right, we can still go up. Yeah, back at 20 pips. So the thing about trading is if you have your SL, you don't have to have any fear.
it is when I'll exit this trade. That is when to go back to the previous high to pain me.
Oh, it will go. Yeah, 30 pips back in profits. Is the 1 minute candle closing? Yes. Ah, shit. Stop. Okay. The thing about trading at 2 p.m. is mostly when you catch the trend, and that's the actual trend, there's no need for you to panic. You get it? Because at 2 p.m., 3 p.m., that's where the true character of the sun market starts. I'm saying this based on my experience with gold. You get it? So let me see, landing session has been, let me say, selling. You get it? Around 12 p.m., it will behave like a cow, as if it wants to sell, as if it wants to buy. But the actual trend will start from 2 p.m. going. And 3 p.m., like 3:30, you will see the actual reversal happening. You get it? So the actual reversal, you can start. So if you catch the actual reversal at 3:30, you can ride that trend all the way to Asian. You get it? Then landing, there will be a reversal. That's how it happens. So we are 40 pips in profits.
I'm out.
Ah.
I'm already out too. Okay.
You said I'm already out. We are 40 pips in profits. Wow, that's a very clean rejection. Oh. Why? The rejection.
The rejection is
This
mad.
one, this one Ankasa is giving me PTSD. But this week I've been trading zones like this. That's why I'm still in the trade. Immediately you get faced, then you see that price has gone to hit your TP. The sad part. So. I'll receive the telegram message. Oh, I'm seeing a reversal candle. I guess it's going to close bullish. Bam, bam. Let me see 1 minute. What's happening under 1 minute? Multiple rejections already. La. We are back in 40 pips. Okay, so no one took this trade with me, with the exception of you, Kwabena. But you left early.
Well, so scalping, the hard scalpers get, no be hard intraday traders get.
We thrive when there's liquidity. I mean, there's volatility. Without volatility, you can't scalp. Your scalp will tend to swing. Price seems to be reversing. Let me see what is happening.
1 minute here.
You can't be watching 1 minute like that, too. Okay, I think over here I can see what's happening. Forty pips again. You're just playing around that 40 pips zone. You're just playing around that side. Let's see what happens. There's multiple rejections. Okay. So there's 5 minutes. The 4 hour is not looking good at all. Wow, it's not looking good.
The 1 hour is showing sell.
Yeah, same for the 4 hour too. But we're only stopping, yeah? Guys, I think let's close our trades. Who is still in this position? The trade is me, it is, what's the name? Let me calculate. Okay, so it is currently 20 pips from our entry. You get it. If we're in, you can close. You can see the rejection kind of happening. This place actually doesn't look good. Like, you see what I've been talking about, that strategy, the simple strategy that you guys need to keep to. We are seeing an inverse one happening over here. Consolidation breakouts. Now price is in that zone, playing around. You get it. So if we're in, please, I would advise that you just get out. We're only scalping, yeah, you're only scalping. But make sure that you are closing 1:2. Okay. We are aiming for 1:4, 1:3. But then in case your trade is 1:2 in profit, you can close out. Okay. All right. Because I don't know why I can't show the 4 hour correctly over here. Can you see the 4 hour bearish candle? Can you guys see the 4 hour bearish candle?
No.
Now I'm talking of the current candle. Hey, wait. Yeah, I'm talking of this one. You see, like it's clear. It's clear on the MT5. MetaTrader seems to be Wait, the signal I'm getting here is different from what I'm getting on MetaQuote. I don't know if you guys can see my charts over here. Can you see it?
No. No.
All right, let me unblur and see. Just all blurred. Can you see my charts?
Oh, Sasaluto.
Boss, how you dey?
Despite my UJ trade now. My heart, they do me some way.
Why you enter?
I enter.
So how you
I
dey
share
go?
the, I share the thing for the group inside. Sir. Oh, it's
Oh,
going
okay.
to profit. Just that it's reacting to another block.
Wow, that's very clean. Oh, Kwabena, can you see the clean rejection? 5 minutes. Okay. The thing is, your setup. When I saw it, me, I didn't understand it. You get it, but then I realized that you had a reason for your entry, and it's very clean. Me, I don't use Fib. I've never used that Fibonacci thing before. I only use candlesticks for my confirmation. Candlesticks and 2 p.m. That's all.
So usually the FIB I use it normally when I can't see any candlestick. I see it's trending all right, but the candlesticks for me I can't really see anything. So it's more like when you are blind, it's that zone that sort of guides you with your bias in terms of the trend of the markets. Yeah, so that's like mainly how I see the FIB and how I see it using.
What I'm talking about.
Yeah, Ezra
Yeah, he
normally
uses the Fib.
use the FIB, yeah, but he trades from the outmost, should I say, region. I mean, the zero
Oh,
to
okay.
71 point something. Yeah. But usually,
Oh, okay.
what's in the general literature is the golden zone is 50 to 61, which I
Mm,
used there when I saw it reacting to that zone.
oh,
But
okay.
at the moment, it's reacting to another block. So
That's what our trade is doing right now. We took a buy and currently we are trapped. We are trapped in the POI. Let me
Gold
see
is
how
not
to find.
favorable at this moment.
Come again. I
Gold
think
looks
it's,
scary.
it looks what bearish.
Scary.
Ah, so the clean confirmation for us to get out from the trade. Can see the reversal candle. Can you see it? The reversal candle before the what's the name? Before
Yeah,
this current bearish candle.
yeah.
Can you see it? And already we have like 3 rejections in that zone. This is the bullish one, two, and the reversal one, three. You get, so this is signaling like a reversal. It may be that it's just a pullback, then what? It will continue the bullishness. But then know that we enter right from, you get it. So there's that probability of us being taken out first before the actual this one pattern continuation, or let me say the trend continuation. You get it. But since we've already taken our 1:2, it's better for us to get out of the market now. So Elvis, so you see why I told you not to take the trade? Mostly this house scalping is, you get it. You just enter early, bag what you want to bag, then you're out. Okay. So you see, if you were to enter, you would have been at the wrong side of things. So that's how I always advise. If you don't enter with me, it's just better that what you don't enter at all.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm
Actually,
giving,
actually,
yeah.
I was actually sent when I just came back.
Uh Charlie, there's bearishness. All right. I'll close my trade. Let me see. So I'm about to send the candle, the 4 hour candle to the group, the one that I was showing you guys. This your hair. Yes, I've sent it to the group. Take
Hey,
all of this. Why?
are you seeing the buy pressure on the 1 minute?
All be lie. I can see it,
1 minute, yeah, then.
but it will leave off a rejection.
Hey, good. Good, you guys, you get hard to. I trade good some time back, 0.01. I felt the sensation. Ah,
I
good.
felt the sensation.
I felt the
But I'm already
sensation.
out.
Oh, Charlie BTC.
0.01.
Is it
This bit. No, I'm looking at
Yeah,
my Bitcoin setup.
Bitcoin? If any of you have a setup, you can share your screen. Let me stop sharing my screen so that we discuss it. Sam,
My BTC.
would you like
oh, yeah,
would you like to explain your
yeah.
setup?
Yeah, okay, so let
Okay.
me go to
So
the
guys, please know that you're already out of this one, the good setup.
hmm,
So I backed 1:2. I'm sending it to the group. I just sent it. All right. So please take us through what made you take this very one. So currently, what peps is it in?
that's an right now, let me see. It's around, should I say, 6? What is it?
50 pips. Yeah, using 0.01, right?
0.02.
0.02. So that's
Yeah,
20 pips, like 2.5
yeah,
pips. I said 25
yeah.
pips rather.
25%, yeah.
Yeah, 25 pips. How bad?
So,
Are you swinging?
so- oh, no, 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 no. Right now, my heart is giving me
Wow.
2. But then
Uh-huh.
I'm
So you
seeing
see
some.
what you are seeing currently?
Mhm,
That's a
mhm.
similar thing we are seeing on gold right now. So this is like some sell
Invest.
signal. So you just need to hold on to it.
Yeah, 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 yeah. So I'm seeing the structure. So the structure at the base, this this side, I hope you can see the cursor. This side.
Yeah,
That's what I'm
yeah.
looking at. It's going to touch. And then if nothing at all, I mean, retrace back to the upper trend line, which is not my support. So explaining this from the higher time frame, I realized one there were I don't know what is this here. This trend line was respected on multiple occasions. So
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, and even 5. But I realized that it's adequate. Market couldn't break out of that region. So
Mm,
going down to the 15 minutes. At the point, okay, so when you go back to the screenshots in the group, I sent the screenshot at around somewhere 8, 9, 10 o'clock there.
let me check.
8, 9, 10 o'clock. Somewhere around 9, 10, 8, 9, 10 there.
Yeah, sure. Like right
Yeah,
when I woke up. But
yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
so what I was talking about, we currently have price over there. That consolidation breakout. You see when you sent your setup, I sent
Yeah,
okay, you sent your setup at 9:58, almost 10. Yeah. So
9:58.
over here.
Yeah, you see the zone I marked over there. Now I produce my exposure. In fact, I didn't even calculate things for there because I realized my risk to reward will almost blow my accounts if trade doesn't go in my favor.
How much were you risking?
So, $7 lah, Charlie. Yeah, for the
0.02.
thing, yeah, zero point
But
zero
this is
two.
this is a currency pair. You get it. With a
Yeah,
currency pair, you can risk as low as 10 pips. So
yeah, 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 yeah. Those the refining of the adequate the S on there. I'm yet finding the way around it because I mean it's a nice thing. This sniper entry reducing your exposure to the market is really a nice thing. But actually, I'm afraid of market retracement, partially. Sometimes you see liquidity around the block and you want to enter sniper and Masa. It will wipe out that liquidity. The best is to use pending orders, but the pending orders to I like being live on the chat. I can't leave the chat and then go and do my thing. So I'm even at
That's
work
true.
when I place the when I showed you the what do you call it, when I placed the setup.
So that. Oh, okay.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
But that's a
I was
very
at work.
clean downtrend. Can you see it? Lower
Uh,
low, lower high, lower low, lower high, just forming down there. But price is currently playing around this zone.
the other block. I don't
Mhm.
so so let me ask you. So you see this side, um this side, uh, let me highlight it. Using a mobile version is it's a bit tricky.
Actually,
Well,
USDJPY is in my buy zone. Oh.
is it about
Uh-huh.
is it
So
with
that
you?
that's what I was saying. When he sent
Yeah,
the setup earlier, you see that I've marked out that zone. That what price might reverse over there. But
Yeah,
you
I
still
just
need to
opened.
hold on to it. Just
Yeah,
hold on to it.
no, I'm not seeing look. No, you shouldn't be afraid. I'm not seeing liquidity at the other block I've seen. I just mapped it out.
so
I didn't
Mm,
see liquidity there, so I don't know if the
so
liquidity
I've
was
just
the one up top that's already been wiped. If that is it, it will go back to your entry.
yeah, so I've just marked out the other block and it's over there. But then let me ask you, this this how do you call it? This move, the
okay.
move that created the other block now. It
Yeah,
was as a
Okay.
result of news. It was a news. It's more like a news scandal.
Yeah.
Do we still consider like should I say
Another
it's against
block.
the market? Like it was artificially not artificially. It's a fundamental this thing.
so
Yeah.
right now, if price, all you have to wait for is a big momentum candle to take out this other block, and then it turns to a breaker block for you. So like then, you know that it has been violated. You just wait for a retest of this zone and then sell.
Alhamdulillah. Oi, oi.
So just
See the way,
follow your analysis, and you see the way you took your entry. Trace, if
yeah,
you
yeah.
zoom in your chart, there's an order block on the left hand side. Price reacted from the left. Not here. Your entry.
Why?
Yeah,
Now
your
your
This side.
entry.
entry.
Go to your entry. Go close to your entry. The
To your
last
left.
blue candle. No, no, no. Where your crosses is too far.
Mm-hmm.
Come, come to the right hand side a little bit. I can't see you. Okay, come to the right. Come.
Mm-hmm.
Where your cross is? Where your cross is? No, left,
Uh-huh.
left again.
This side.
Yes. You see, there's a blue candlestick before the break of structure that happened.
Okay.
You map out that blue candlestick and then connect it to the entry you got.
Okay. I'm not getting you.
So that last blue candle before that last blue candle here, map it to the entry.
Okay. Let me see. Oh, I'm using this phone version. Why for use where you? Okay.
That's how I get my tight entries. So you use the rectangle tool, then
That is.
yes. But then your rectangle, the mouth of your rectangle should touch the close of the body and the open of like the close of the candlestick and the open of the candlestick. That's refining your.
Guys, we are almost TPU.
It's almost like TP.
Yeah. A very strong bullish candle.
If it breaks it, I'll enter. I'll wait for a retest on the breakout, and then we wait
Yeah.
for I wait for. But bro, like reduce the rectangle. It's too far. Like.
Uh,
I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Reduce like the volume of the rectangle to the body, like the close and the open of the blue candlestick.
this one over here or this one. Okay. This one you're referring to.
No, Lift it a
Hey,
little bit.
this.
There are two. There. I'm coming.
Okay. So uh, this one over here. You ICT traders.
The
Hey.
the blue. The okay. Now let's go back to your entry. Where your please put your cross on the entry.
Okay. Uh,
Yes. Now move left. Do not move up or down. Just move left.
uh-huh.
Yes. So you see that blue candle you're using it on. That is the
Okay.
other block I'm seeing. So now you map out to the
Wow.
other block.
Now let me ask you, how does so is it the order block because that's the move that began before it broke structure down?
So you see another block is where like people will say institutions have left their pending orders. So that is where they want to buy. So me, I feel they have to this liquidity. I didn't see liquidity. That's why I'm being skeptical about that entry. So,
All
but
right,
then the
TP.
rules of the other block, there should be
Mm-hmm.
a break of structure. So immediately that blue candlestick form, there was a break of structure towards the
So
downside.
that's regardless of the normal bullish or bearish strong move that I mean it's in general literature. Because that's what I know about the other blocks. It's more like
So
there has to
other
be a
block
strong bullish.
is so
Uh,
another block is just the opposite candle before an impulsive move.
okay, whether it's a one strong move or like a series of moves. That
Yes.
move should have broken structure.
It should be an impulsive move that breaks structure. Yes, those are the rules.
Wow.
So
Okay.
now you see where the rectangle is. You would drop your stop
Yeah.
loss right above the rectangle for a very tight stop loss.
Okay. Wow. Because
So that's how you
at
get
the time,
tight.
I took it. Let me see. It was somewhere here. Hey, at the time I took this trade, it was somewhere here where I'm placing the Fibonacci. Oh, where is? Oh, no, 61.8. Okay, okay. So this was so at the time the market was around this zone, it entered my Fibonacci range. It was around here, this side, this side. That's how come I placed my. That's how come I placed my SL way above, which after doing calculation, I realized actually I was exposing too much of my account to the trade. So when, fortunately for me, markets went downwards now. That's when I come I reduced my how do you call it my SL. So right now it's like within just I've just exposed $3 of the $10 in the account. I wish I was pulling this shit, but because now I have multiple attention, I'm at work and I'm doing this now. I'm not really having time to really analyze things for.
Okay, so see, there's an impulsive move that is breaking the other block. So we just hope the info before this candles the 15-minute candle closes. It closes with an impulsive move downwards. If not, what I'm seeing here is like it's going to just
Better.
range for a while and then break out to the upside. If it doesn't break
Yeah.
impulsively to the downside, it will range a little bit and go back to the upside.
I'll just close the trade simple, Charlie.
Don't
That's the
overanalyze
idea.
your trade.
That's the thing, no.
Don't overanalyze your trade. Just be in. So we have hit TP on our go setup, and I closed in 1:2. I've now closed very early. I don't know the risk to reward. You closed in.
Like
Elvis
chicken
couldn't
crazy.
enter. He
Zero
said,
point zero point zero
"Oh,
four.
that's bad." So you guys, I'm giving you the feeling what scalpers mostly go through. You get it, but then it's all good. It's all good. So let's say tomorrow. Tomorrow, is there any news tomorrow?
I'm not sure. I know that.
Let me check. We just need to make sure they are not going to trade when there's news. There was a time I was trading live Then there was news at, was it? Even that I was not trading at 2 p.m. It was around 1 something, exactly at 1:30. There was a news release and we got wiped out. Dum, 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 dum. So whatever
The market just here is just G. Hey, wait,
is it?
today is 12 or 13. It's 13. Can you spend this more?
GU is playing with my emotions, man. GU is playing with my emotions.
So, how do you call it? USD, Pre- Donald Trump is about to give a speech
When? Today or tomorrow?
today about today about somewhere 6 p.m. there about our time. I don't know. That would be
Wow.
like somewhere 1
Yesterday's
US
news,
time.
inflation went up by 3%. Inflation has been up by
That's the
3%.
dollar.
Yes.
So that's why we see that buy momentum on gold.
So guys, I don't ask you. So at what point do I move my stop loss to secure the small wins I've made?
And it is your rule, your strategy. So me basically, if I'm targeting, let's say, 100 pips, when I get to like 30, 40 pips, I come to break even. 80 pips, I move to 20 pips in profit. This is so that my trade will have breathing space.
Alright, okay. Thanks for the idea.
Everyone has a rule.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Please, so I want to ask the difference between price action trading and scalping. Are they the same?
No, price action.
Yeah, they are the same.
Because I've
Allow.
realized that you use the same approach.
So price action. You've asked me this question before, right?
No.
Wait. So someone asked me a similar question in my DMs.
This
It
one
was
first.
in.
I'm now reading the candlestick Bible, so I just
Uh,
taking. Yes, I don't
Yeah,
want to.
okay.
candlestick
Okay.
bundle. You go read but at the market ne, you go show you different candlestick Bible. How
Actually,
how 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 the fighting?
I thought it was the same person asking me the same question. That's why I was laughing. So the thing is, price action is someone who does not use indicators. You get it? Like what we are doing is price action. We are making our decisions based on what markets like price, like what is the name? Chart patterns, candlesticks, communication. Like this fundamentally what price action is. You get it? And we also
No.
have people who do what indicators. You get it? I know
But
people who use RSI, others to use the Fibonacci, others too are using what's the name? You guys should help me out. There's a lot of indicators on the market. You get it? Yes.
Plenty. Bollinger Bands.
Bollinger Bands and a whole lot of stuff. You get it? Those people are indicator traders. You get it? And
DMA,
scalping,
SMA.
swing trading, day trading. These are styles of trading. You get it? So based on who you are, me, I'm quite impatient. You get it? So I like to scalp. And because of my impatience and the amount of, like, let me say, profit I'm looking at, I tend to scalp gold only. I cannot be scalping on GBP USD. You get it? See how short this one. It only took us. We entered the trade around 2.5, right? 2.5. When did I even close out? Like 2.15 or 2 something. We already out. You get it? Like it only took a short while for us to get a reasonable amount of pips because I closed in 40 pips. You get it? That one took us like 10 to 15 minutes for us to hit that 20 pips. But then, unless there is volatility at that time, GBP USD is not going to give you 40 pips in 15 minutes. You see, um, Kwabena, when did you enter your trade?
as in,
The GBP USD trade.
I entered in the morning. Oh.
And currently, what's like what pips is in?
Well, let me open GU.
Okay,
I think if you retrace, come back like 20 something pips.
Charlie. So you see how GB like
Uh,
currencies are very slow. You get it. And me, I'm a scalper. My emotions, I cannot hold my If I'm going to trade currencies, then it means that I need to be using like two lots. This one, what's the name? One lot or two lot size, like standard lot size. You get it. Then I'll be using maybe this one 5 pips SL. You see, that one. If even I'm closing in, what's the name? 20 pips. I know that what I'll be walking away with some good amount of money. You see, so the only thing that makes the difference is lot size. You get it. The only difference is lot size. The lot size differentiates. I know this guy. What's the name? Because you Forex sometimes he swings with a big lot size, but then
No, but so
that
those people
doesn't
they use
matter.
demos too. Those people they use demos. I've caught them using demos so many times, bro. You see,
What
to
times?
hey,
oh,
really?
bro, to distinguish demo and a
How? How?
real
How? How?
account
How?
using
Abi
How do you?
trading.
there's margin.
No, only the MT5, only using the MT5 interface. It's simple. So if
How?
somebody
How?
opens his,
Huh?
so if somebody opens his trade, like you see when enter MT5, there's a part that says trade. At the top, if you are using an Apple, you are supposed to see a credit card or a wallet on top. It's not there
Yeah,
for
yeah, yeah, yeah.
MT4,
True,
but it's
true.
there for MT5. So if you do not see that wallet, it's a demo account on
That's very
MT5.
true. Yeah.
Most brokers have it. So I don't know. Kojo Forex sometimes even Happy Forex self does it.
Now they do it. The thing is, that's their job. You get it. So those are just marketing strategies. But then that's not what we are here to do. You get it? Like, if you are in the industry to make money as a trader, then you just need to work on refining your setups, refining your psychology. You get it? That's why I advise you guys not to be going on Instagram, YouTube, and stuff like that. Because as
Uh,
you say, it is demo. You may see something like that and may think that Charlie, this guy is making money. You get it. But then all be lie. You Bob. You just need to focus on yourself. Just
Somebody will
compound
be
what
there
you have.
flipping. Somebody will be there flipping 0. How much? $20 account to $5,000. Now pressure chinipa. Oh
You
yo.
Bob. If you are to
Okay,
follow those
so
things, you end up blowing accounts countless times. You see?
okay,
yeah,
so
I'll follow them all. I'll follow them all. I'll follow them all. What's up?
per what you are saying, it means that to scalp or to be a price action trader, currency pairs is not advisable.
No, wait. You got me wrong. So,
See,
so
price
you-
action, price action, price action is a trading strategy, and then scalping is a form of trading. That means you are in for maximum, let's say 5 to 10 minutes, and you are out. Whilst intraday trading, you can hold your trades for like 1 hour, 2 hours before you close. Basically, you can still use price action to become a scalper, or use price action to become intraday trader. It doesn't matter. But then,
or a swing trader too. You get it.
yes,
So someone like Ryan. Ryan is a swing trader, but he uses what price action. You get it. Whatever he was showing you guys, it's fundamentally what price action. He's using chart patterns. He's using candlesticks. You get it. And he's using what's the name? Yeah, trend lines and a couple of stuff. You get it. All of those things are what price action. Just looking at what candlesticks like the candlesticks formation, what pattern has the chart created. You get it. You see, one thing about trading, or let me say trading price action, is it's mainly based on what history. Okay, so you're just looking at the historical there's some price points and using that to what make your this on your analysis. You get it. And so let me open some indicators over here for you to see.
Let me stop sharing my screen so they can share and then.
Okay, if you stop they may see
Yeah.
it because I'm already sharing my
Yeah.
screen over here.
Okay, so let me stop on my end.
Oh, okay, sure. All right, so Elvis, can you see my screen?
Yes.
So this is where the indicators are. There are lots of indicators. You get it. And please, someone should help me with an indicator name.
Bollinger Bands, Bollinger
Bollinger
Bands,
Bands. Okay.
EMA, SMA, fractals.
So you see, I'm even using the free. Hey, why? Ah, that session indicator thing. Let me delete it. It's a Bollinger Bands. So you can see this, right? They said this one is Bollinger Bands. So this very one, you get it. Someone will look at this and understand what is happening. You get it. These people are, let me say, indicator traders. And there's this thing. What's the name? What are the EMA, right?
Yeah, man.
Let me even use the moving average. You get it. All of these. So these things you are seeing, this ones to are what indicators. You get it. So someone was one trader will say that me I use what's the name moving average. So if price is above this and this and that, I can be able to tell that what market is about to sell, market is about to buy. You get it. But the thing is, me I always advise keep it simple, simple, stupid. You get it, that case strategy. Just your chart needs to be clear. You get it. Me, if not for teaching sake, you will never see me mark up my charts. You get it? Because mostly what I'm waiting for is time. 2 p.m. Then I'll just mark out my what? My POI. You get it? Immediately price gets into that POI and I see what candlestick has formed in that POI. Then what? I take my entry. This is what I've been doing consistently for since when I started trading. You get it? And it is paying off and it pays off. You get it? Don't try to be using this indicator. So immediately you move from price action, or let me say immediately you move from what? Using chart patterns, using candlesticks, using all of those things to what? Analyze your market, and you start to depend on indicators. Then you become what? An indicator trader. Elvis, do you get it now?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, so it means that even someone who is using an indicator can still use this indicator to become what? A scalper. He can use that same indicator to be what? A day trader. He can still use it to what? To become what is the name? A day trader as well. You see? So it's just a matter of finding where your truth is. You get it? When you find your truth, whatever style, come again.
No, you know,
Uh, whatever style you want to trade, you can continue. Like you can just continue with it. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So don't be confused. Don't be confused. So just say that I taught you guys that simple strategy. You can just keep it like stick to that one. That's what we use today. Me, that's what I've been using. You get it. And if you are trading like this, there's no need for you to be learning those technical jargons. You all know the need. It's just a matter of what? Knowing the psychology behind it. Okay? If you know the psychology behind it, that's all you need. Okay. So that's what we saw over here. Consolidation, breakouts. It came again. It left off a rejection candle. You get it? And we took our entry after the bullish candle. Then what? We took our 1:3. We are out. Just that this one, market was playing a little bit with our emotions. So we were able to close with 1:2, right? So that's how simple you need to trade it. Okay. And make sure that, so you see that even with all of those emotions happening, I didn't close at 1:1, or let me say in small profits. Always, you need to make sure that what your risk to reward, whatever you are getting from the markets, is more than how much you had risked. That 20 pips you are seeing over there, it was me risking this one $10. You get it, and I closed with almost $20. So that's what twice my SL. You get it. So that's what you always need to bear in mind. In case you are in a trade and your emotions is playing with you, make sure that what you are closing averagely 1:2. If you are not reaching your 1:3, make sure you are closing 1:2. That's better than nothing. You get it?
Okay.
Yeah. So I think we will call our life a life. It was a profitable life, and Sorry, I obviously couldn't take the trade. Kabna, next time keep your emotions in check.
It react to the other block. Oh. My heart, dey my
Your
stomach
pocket
inside.
inside there.
My heart, dey my stomach inside.
I
Hey,
see. Don't worry, don't worry. So, so I was checking if there was going to be any news tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday or Friday. Tomorrow is Friday.
Yes, Friday.
Okay. Why is the internet doing that? Okay, so USD. What is this thing? Core retail sales
yes.
at 1:30 again. All right. We trade at 2 p.m. So this is not going to affect us. And always it's very good to be trading after news. That one there, Charlie. It's very sweet, especially
Oh,
if you
okay.
catch
So
the trend.
you hold the other live tomorrow, like a live session tomorrow, the same time.
Probably I might hold a life.
Okay, then I'll try.
Yeah. The thing is, it one that this one, we've gotten into another, like we've gotten into, I'm coming. This thing needs not to go public. So let me stop the live before. Because you
Good for
guys are
management.
inside it. Come again.